So now the dispersion medium is our liquid, and we are going to disperse. That means solute can be solid, liquid, or gas. Let's give a common example for this. You might have seen the muddy water. That means a solid is mud, and the dispersion medium is their liquid, and we may form a colloidal solution in between solid and a liquid. Now liquid and liquid, these type of colloidal solutions have a special name, and it is known as emulsion. We will discuss it separately in upcoming lectures. Emulsions. See, these type of liquid colloidal solutions may be jellies, etc., and gas in liquid. This may be another type of colloidal solution, and common example is foam. And collectively, the solution of solid, liquid, gas in a liquid are known as liquid salts. And the third case, when our dispersion medium will be solid and dispersed phase can be solid, liquid, and gas. Collectively, these colloidal solutions are known as solid salts. I hope all the 8 examples are clear. Now we will try to classify these colloidal solutions. Classification of colloidal solutions. क्लासिफिकेशन हम किसके बेसिस पे कर रहे हैं? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एफिनिटी बिटवीन द पार्टिकल्स of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. That means इन दो पार्टिकल्स के बीच में एफिनिटी कैसी है, whether they love each other or they hate each other, and on the basis of this affinity between the particles of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, we have two types of colloidal solutions. Two types. सबसे पहला lyophilic. Philic means love. That means the particles of dispersed phase and dispersion medium have a greater affinity. That means they love each other. So this solution, or the colloidal solution we might say, between this dispersed phase and dispersion phase and dispersed medium will be a stable colloidal solution. Stable colloidal solution, because there is a force of attraction between these two, and we can form a colloidal solution very easily by just mixing these two. We may pour this dispersed phase, the particles in this solution, and just mix it, and the colloidal solution will be formed. And if this is precipitated, that means this dispersed phase is separated from this, we can just recover it back by just mixing or just stirring it, the solution, we can get back the colloidal solution. So these lyophilic solutions are also called reversible solutions. Reversible solutions. These are actually dispersion medium loving solutions. That means these dispersed phase particles love the dispersion medium particles. That is why these two form a stable solution, which is reversible in nature. That means if they got separated, we can reverse the solution back easily. Second type of solution is lyophobic. Phobia, I hope you know, phobia means to hate. That means now the particles of dispersed phase and dispersion medium will hate each other. That means they will try to separate out. So to keep them in a solution, we have to use some stabilizers. These are foreign particles which try to stabilize this solution, this colloidal solution between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. And if in case these two phases got separated, if the dispersed phase particles are separated from these dispersed medium, we cannot reverse this solution because it is not lyophilic. That means there is no affinity between these two particles. The particles of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, they are not stable with each other. That is why these type of solutions are also called irreversible. I hope it's clear. Second, on the basis of particle size we can classify them also. Classification on the basis of size. First one is multimolecular. Multimolecular colloids. See, जब एक dispersed phase particle, it is made up of aggregation. That means it's a aggregate ऐसे जमा होना of number of atoms. नंबर ऑफ एटम्स एक साथ एग्रीगेट होके डिस्पर्स्ड फेज का एक सिंगल पार्टिकल बनाएंगे और इस सिंगल पार्टिकल का साइज 1 to 1000 नैनोमीटर. दैट मीन्स कोलाइड रेंज के बीच में ही होगा. दिस टाइप ऑफ कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन विल बी नोन एज मल्टी मॉलिक्यूलर कोलाइड. Second type, these you can read by yourself, is a very easy definition, is macromolecular. Macromolecular, I'm just reading them out. Macromolecular means if a single particle, for example a polymer particle, a single particle have the size, which is in the range of 1 to 1000 nanometer. One particle, single particle, and that these particles form a colloidal solution with the dispersion medium. That type of colloidal solution will be known as macromolecular solutions. And the third one, which is most